Stop intruders in their tracks with Alarm.com's new AI-powered crime prevention solution, AI Deterrence. AI combines the latest AI innovations with Alarm.com's industry-leading video analytics. When a trespasser is detected, the adaptive verbal warnings create the impression of a live operator, calling out their clothing and location on the property.
Person wearing a black jacket and blue jeans, you are being recorded. Leave immediately or the police will be called.
AI can be used as a standalone service or alongside the remote video monitoring console to build a mode of protection around your home or business.